हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू स्टोरी अंडरलाइन। जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं हम बात कर रहे हैं कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ एंशिएंट इंडियन हिस्ट्री की। मटेरियल कल्चर की बात करें सो स्टोन टेम्पल्स इन साउथ, ब्रिक मोनेस्ट्रीज इन ईस्ट इंडिया। एक्सकेवेशन से हमें मटेरियल कल्चर के बारे में पता लगता है, दैट इज लेआउट ऑफ सेटलमेंट, फॉर्म्स ऑफ हाउसेस, टाइप ऑफ पॉटरी, टूल्स एंड इम्प्लीमेंट्स, एनिमल बोन्स। मेगालिथ्स वेर ब्यूरियल्स encircled by piece of stone. Date was fixed by radiocarbon method, that is loss of carbon in organic materials over a period of time. Loss of carbon in organic material, not inorganic. Dendrochronology, that is number of tree rings in wood. Other methods include plant residues and pollen analysis which reflect climate and vegetation. Study of coins is called numismatic. Paper का यूज शुरू हुआ था 14th century से. Use of precious hoards और vessels, coins को यूज किया जाता था vessels में रखने के लिए. Largest number of coins हमें मिले हैं post modern period में which were purest. एंड लार्जेस्ट नंबर ऑफ गोल्ड कॉइन्स हमें मिले हैं गुप्ता के पीरियड में. जी से गोल्ड, जी से गुप्ता. लार्जेस्ट नंबर ऑफ गोल्ड कॉइन्स इन गुप्ता पीरियड. Coins helps in reconstruction of history of several ruling dynasties, the trade and their religious symbols. The study of inscription is called epigraphy and study of writing is called paleography. Sanskrit as epigraphic medium started from 2nd century. Earliest inscriptions were written in Prakrit, that is 3rd century BC. Oldest inscriptions deciphered so far is of Ashoka, deciphered in 3rd century BC by James Prinsep 1837. Ancient Indians knew writing early as 2500 BC, that is Harappan civilization का time period. Early Buddhist texts were written in Pali. Jaina texts were written in Prakrit. जैना टेक्स्ट को याद रखने के लिए आप प्रजक्ता याद रख लें. प्रजक्ता, प्राकृत and Jain. This literary sources gives information about social, political, cultural and economical rules, punishment, trade and commerce. They were secular literatures like Dharmashutras and Smritis, Arthashastra of Kautilya, Abhijan Shakuntalam and Malvik Agnimitra, which talks about defeat of Yavanas on the banks of river Sindhu by Vasumitra, written by Kalidasa. Vedas, Puranas, Mahabharata, Ramayana, all these were literary sources. Brahmanas are contemporary to Vedas. उपनिषद की बात करें सो उपनिषद मीन्स टू सिट डाउन नियर समवन. इट डील्स विथ मेटाफिजिक्स. याद रखें उपनिषद डील्स विथ मेटाफिजिक्स, रिचुअल्स, सेक्रेड रिलेशन बिटवीन मैन एंड गॉड. फॉरेन अकाउंट्स की बात करें सो इंडियन लिटरेचर कैन बी सप्लीमेंटेड बाय फॉरेन अकाउंट्स फॉर कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ हिस्ट्री. सैंड्रोकोटस हु वाज ग्रीक, मेगास्थनीज रोट इंडिका ड्यूरिंग चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य. द पेरिप्लियस ऑफ इरिट्रियन सी एंड टॉलेमीज ज्योग्राफी, दे वर रिटन इन ग्रीक which gives valuable data of ancient geography and commerce. Pliny's Naturalis Historica, written in 1st century AD in Latin, it talks about trade between India and Italy. Fahim during 5th century AD talks about socio-religious economics of Gupta dynasty, that is Chandragupta Maurya II. Huanzhang of 7th century AD, who came during the reign of Harsha. Huanzhang also visited Pallava capital. They both, Fahim and Huanzhang, both were Buddhists. They came India to visit Buddhist monastery, shrines and study Buddhism. Greatest lawgiver of India was Manu. Satyameva Jayate is mentioned in Mundaka Upanishad, written in Devanagari. सेवरल एरास की बात करें तो आपको ये टाइम पीरियड याद रखना थोड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट है. विक्रम संवत शुरू हुआ था 58th सेंचुरी बीसी में. शाका संवत इन 78 एडी बाय कनिष्का. गुप्ता एरा ऑफ 319 एडी. एजेस की बात करें अकॉर्डिंग टू पुराना, कृता, त्रेता, द्वापरा, काली. ईच सक्सीडिंग एज वर्स देन प्रीसीडिंग. एज वन स्लाइड्स इनटू अदर, moral and social values decreases. Biographical writings like Harshcharita, written by Banabhatta in 7th century in ornate style. Raj Tarangini, that is Stream of Kings, by Kalhana in 12th century. Corpus Inscription Indicarum, it is a collection of inscription of Maurya, post Maurya and Gupta period. आप ये जरूर नोट डाउन करें that Bactrians were first to issue or use gold coins and not Kushanas. Next हम बात करते हैं geography and its impact. So history has two eyes. One is chronology and second is geography. Country's geography largely determines its historical events. हम बात करते हैं हिमालयास की, which acts as natural barrier or shield. Passes like Khyber, Bolan, Khurram, Gomal, which were important for cultural contact and which also facilitated trade. स्वात वैले जहां से अलेक्जेंडर आया था, आगे हम बात करेंगे. इंडो-गंगेटिक प्लेन्स की बात करें so it is irrigated by 3 rivers, that is big 3, Ganga, Indus and Brahmaputra. Indo-Gangetic plain contributed to the rise of urban centers. The plains consist of plains of Indus in northwest, Ganga Yamuna Doab in middle Gangetic Basin in east, Brahmaputra Basin in extreme east. Rainfall gradually increases as one moves from west to east. Thus, resources of western areas were first utilized and large-scale settlement of human spread from west to east. Due to thick forest in east, rainfall was high. Delhi, which lies in western side of Gangetic Basin, became source of temptation and attraction for its fertility and wealth. Southern Peninsula की बात करें, so plateaus starts south to Vindhyan Mountains, long coastline so that people could do maritime activity. Deccan Plateau is flanked by eastern and western Ghats. Western Ghats की बात करें, so it is called Konkan up to Goa and Karnataka beyond that. Coromandel coast lies between Eastern Ghat and Bay of Bengal. Eastern Ghats are not high compared to Western Ghats, having several openings due to eastward flow of rivers into Bay of Bengal. Palaghat Pass की बात करें, so it acted as trade route for Indo-Romans in ancient times. Raichur Doab that lies between Krishna and Tungabhadra. West of Aravalli starts Thar Desert. Southeast Rajasthan was fertile and it also comprises K3 copper mines. Richest copper mines was Chota Nagpur Plateau, that is Singhbhum district. People of Bihar used copper from Singhbhum and Hazaribagh Plateau. Metals की बात करें, so copper was first metal to be used. Bronze was made by mixing tin with copper. India was rich in iron, hence war and jungle clearance became easy and regular cultivation could take place. Bronze was found in South Bihar, Eastern Madhya Pradesh and Karnataka, Magad and Avanti. Silver punch marked coins which were found in Kharagpur Hills, Mongyar district. Gold के लिए famous था Kolar Gold Field of Karnataka. India was called land of unity and diversity and each ethnic group contributed its mite to making of Indian culture. Bharatvarsha was named after ancient tribe Bharata. Political unity was achieved twice during Mauryans and during Guptas. Foreigners named the whole country after the river Sindhu or Indus. Hind was derived from Sanskrit word Sindhu, India in Greek and Hind in Persia and Arabic. We have covered construction of ancient Indian history and geography and its impact. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो पे, तब तक के लिए all the best. Thank you.